Okay, I've got some pancakes here. I'm going to feed them to the seagulls. Here they come. Oh yeah, you're going to get excited about this, guys. Oh yeah, banana pancakes, Sunday morning. Come on, I want somebody to get them out of the sky. There you go. You guys are really talented. Okay, you ready? Here's another piece. Come on, somebody get it out of the sky. Oh, let's try that again, okay? Here you go. Excellent. Okay, come on, somebody's got to fly for it. Come on. Woo! That'll give you something to think about. Okay.